So, a lot of frustration. These are the lines that connect the fuel pump to this portion right here. Do all these because removing my fuel filter, I sprung a leak. I used those Doorman steel to steel, and then I got a steel to nylon over there for the vapor return right there. In the back you got a steel to steel, and then 3/8, 5/16. There's a 5/16 nylon back there as well. Bending these 3/8 is so difficult without kinking. Good luck. Try to do it incrementally. Don't get it all at once. It's going to take you hours. It has to like settle. But putting on these nylons that go on top from the fuel tank, fuel pump to the front of the tank here, which connect to these right angles, you'll notice that if you use the hydraulic flaring tool to make the GM General Motor quick connects 3/8 and 5/16. By the way, these are what's supposed to be inside the nylon pieces. Only this black and this O-ring. Oh shit! I just lost it. Fuck. Those are not supposed to be coming out. Oh Jesus, where did it go? Yeah, those are not supposed to be coming out, and inserting them, I've cut them, and I've pretty much destroyed both of them. Hopefully you find the pieces so you can match up. Nitrile says it's resistant to fuel. I'm going to use these refrigeration O-rings. I do refrigeration, and I believe that these are going to hold up a little bit better. Plus the fact that they're a different color won't conceal what happened to them, because everything inside this connector is pretty much black, but you can see this side, it's missing a bunch of pieces. There's supposed to be an O-ring on top of this, and then on top of that O-ring you're supposed to have that rubber little cylindrical extrusion. But here's the problem. If you take and you hydraulically flare NICOP that you get from 4 Lifetimes or Napa or wherever you get it from, you will notice that compared to the original GM, look at this little like chamfer that they've got. And more importantly, not just the chamfer, which helps guide it and prevents it from like destroying that O-ring inside. More importantly than just that chamfer is the diameter of the finished product after you're flaring.